So let's say that you have written your book, it has been professionally edited, you have done a final proofread, and of course you've had your cover designed, and now you're basically all ready to compile your book into an EPUB and a Kindle format for distribution to the different ebook retailers. Before you start setting up the formatting options within Scrivener and clicking on that compile button, it is vitally important that you have correctly set up both the front matter and the back matter of your book. Believe me, front matter matters, and back matter probably matters even more. So what do I mean by front matter and back matter? Well, simply put, front matter is everything that comes before your story begins, and back matter is everything that comes after your story finishes. Traditionally, front matter consists of special pages in your books, such as the title page, the copyright page, a preface, a foreword, etc., etc. While the back matter should consist of certain calls to action. Basically, it is an opportunity for you, the author, to try and direct the reader to somewhere else, which is going to be beneficial to you. In the next 2 lectures, I shall go into detail as to what exactly you should be putting in your front matter and your back matter, and how to set it all up within Scrivener. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for listening.